Today we're removing the door panel and speakers from a Suzuki Forenza. We're going to start at the bottom back edge of the door panel, removing one Phillips screw and moving forward across the bottom of the panel, removing a second Phillips screw. With a small pry tool at the front of the handhold above the armrest is a small opening that will help you separate this panel from the armrest and remove this and set it to the side. This is going to give access to two Phillips screws securing the door panel, one at the bottom of the opening, the second at the top of the opening. With a pry bar, pry the small trim ring from around the door handle. This may look easy here. This sometimes can take several attempts and tries before you can release one of the clips to work your way around and remove it. This will come off over the door handle and you can set this panel to the side. At the back top of the door panel is a small triangular panel. Pry the top edge of this panel from the door panel, releasing clips. Again, all these clips release with pry pressure, and you'll be able to pull this panel from the door and set it to the side. With our pry bar, we're going to start at the bottom front edge of the door panel, working our way up the front edge of the door panel, up the back edge of the door panel, to the top, releasing clips. Again, these clips all release with pry pressure. Once these clips are all released, you can grasp the bottom edge of the door panel, pull it slightly away from the door. This will allow the door handle to pass through the opening when lifting the door panel up out of the window jamb and over the door lock assembly as well. Pull the door panel slightly forward, locate the connector to the control panel. There is a trigger on the side of it that you squeeze down to release the lock and remove. Check for any other wiring and set the panel to the side. Check the door for any door panel clips, pry them from the doors and replace them to their corresponding spots in the door panel. With a small pry tool, pry the front edge of the tweeter, depending on your audio system, from the door handle area. This will release. Pull the connectors up, locate the connector and trigger and release. The front main door speaker here is a 6.5-inch speaker. See our website for speaker phasing and hookup. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.